Right now, Bitcoin is trading below 16,000 US dollars, and at the same time, Bitcoin officially has confirmed another lower low here on the price action of Bitcoin. And in this exact video, we will be discussing the most likely price targets that Bitcoin will be visiting right now. So make sure to watch this video till the end, because we're seeing a break of one critical level of support in the market right now. And I will be discussing this and much more on today's update video. So don't forget to watch this video till the end. And can we once again slap up that like button back above 400 likes? That will be absolutely incredible. And with that being said, let me jump straight away in towards the content. Initially, let me start look at the 1 hour time frame to see and what I think is going to be happening next for Bitcoin. Like you can see, currently we have been officially confirmed a lower low on the 1 hour time frame, and that is of course a very bad structure Bitcoin is currently creating. Of course, it's not necessarily a significant lower low, but this is definitely suggesting that strength is definitely not here in the market. If I do look at the imminent short term for Bitcoin, I can start to see that the RSI is climbing up on the imminent short term while the price action is forming a lower low, what means that we're currently creating a bullish divergence on the 1 hour RSI. I don't necessarily expect that Bitcoin is going to be pushing back towards the upside, but what this is currently suggesting is that we either are going to see some sideways price action for Bitcoin or either a slight bounce back towards the upside. You could argue that we already have seen this slight bounce back towards the upside, but it is at least expected that from the imminent short term we can start to see some sideways price action and not necessarily another significant big dump. However, Bitcoin of course can always still dump another time towards the downside, but in my opinion, if it's going to be happening, it's probably due to some news events and not necessarily due towards the technicals, because the technicals are currently suggesting that we're going to see at least some sideways price action for Bitcoin. Furthermore, looking at the 1 hour time frame on this chart right here, you could have seen that Bitcoin was getting rejected by the middle range for quite a while here, and right now we are retesting that lower side of support. And like you can see, we've been touching this level for an approximately 3 times the support, and just a few hours ago we closed officially a 1 hour candle below it, and right now it looks to be that we either are having a perfect rejection of this level or we're just maybe going to be still holding on towards it. However, I am not convinced that this is necessarily looking bullish. We did broke below our previous support. We did confirm a lower low on the 1 hour time frame for Bitcoin, and this could only confirm that we are going to be having a potential rejection from this level. So this could lead towards another movement towards the downside, because yeah, basically what we're currently seeing is the loss of support is getting generated, and after we lost the support, we're seeing the support getting retested as resistance, and that is of course never what you want to be seeing right now. So if we do see a continuation towards the downside, and if we touch levels between 15.5k to 15.6k again, I honestly think this is a rejection. Bitcoin will be potentially move a little bit further towards the downside in the coming hours ahead of ourselves. We could be expecting the following price targets. If I'm looking at the 4 hourly time frame, we've been talking about the symmetrical triangle for quite a while. We have been of course officially seeing the breakdown, and if I'm going to be looking at the price target for the breakdown of Bitcoin, it is around the 14.8k. So the 14.8k is also the exact level where I will be currently aiming for. That is going to be my price target for this breakdown, and that is from this point onwards only another 6% drop off, and that is not necessarily a lot. A 6% move towards the downside will be easy to reach for Bitcoin, and that could well also potentially indicate a short-term bottom for Bitcoin. However, if you do want to be benefiting from the volatility that Bitcoin is creating, whether the symmetrical triangle breaks bullish or bearish, you could trade it towards both directions. Also in the bear market, you can still make money, and if you want to do so, don't forget to check out Bybit or BitGet in the link in the description. If you sign up your account using these exchanges, you will be getting an insane deposit bonus, and on Bybit it's up to 30,000 US dollars if you sign up using the link in the description right now. If you are in the US, you can use BitGet, and BitGet allows you to withdraw over 30 Bitcoins without KYC, and you can also trade there without using VPN. So make sure to check it out in the link in the description if you are interested in trading cryptocurrencies right here. Furthermore, looking at the price action of Bitcoin on the daily time frame, we can currently start to see Bitcoin, of course, has been moving down again, and we're currently retesting that 15.8k level that I've been talking about for quite a while, right? So the daily time frame is also officially confirming a lower low in terms of the daily candle closes, and since we're seeing that, it is also creating a potential bullish divergence on the daily time frame, and this is also once again suggesting that probably Bitcoin is going to see either some sideways price action or a small lateral release relief back towards the upside. And I don't necessarily expect there's going to be all too much volatility in the coming weeks ahead of ourselves, especially since in bear markets, the markets are usually very boring. But if the volatility comes down here, we will be able to trade these ranges. And if Bitcoin bounces back towards the upside, we could be potentially once again short the $17,000, long the 15.8, etc, etc. That is how you trade in bear markets. So Bitcoin potentially creating a bullish divergence on the daily time frame right now. Looking then at the weekly time frame, I did discuss it yesterday. We officially did not close the weekly candle close in towards the green, and that is officially telling us that the weekly bullish divergence is not confirmed yet so far. However, we are still printing a weekly bullish divergence from oversold conditions, and that is of course an insane signal that Bitcoin is currently flashing. So make sure to get ready for this potential weekly bullish divergence, and that is also once again suggesting that either the weekly time frame is going to see a small little relief back towards the upside, or some sideways price action. So if the market is going to become very boring in the coming weeks ahead of ourselves, you know I've been warning you for it, because this is what usually happens if you do create a bullish divergence in bear markets. Anyways, this was it for me on today's update video. If you do like the content, don't forget to slap up that like button on today's update video. As well, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because I will be jumping live once I do see another volatile move in the market. And if I do see my next trading opportunity, I will be jumping live as well with you guys out there on the channel to show you how I am trading this market right now. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel and smash up the bell notification if you want to be joining me on that one. But anyways, thank you so much for watching towards this amazing new update video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.